Sit down, sit down. Can you leave yan? Take your glasses off, that's cheating. Okay, Jake and Mikey, get the package. Come on. No peeking. Because, don't cheat. Don't even look up or anything. And you can take it off. One, together. 1, 2, 3. Look, Krista's gonna cry. Yeah.
Doesn't seem like they're surprised.
I thought it was going to be a cat or something.
A what?
A cat.
A cat?
A cat.
Okay. No. Sabi kasi namin, it's a package. Ay, sabi ni
Parang nilalamig.
Malamig ako.
Uy, you okay? You like it? How about Ian?
Huh?
You like it? Very nice, guys. Okay. Si Krista, hindi makapaniwala. How was your face? Ganyan, what was Ate's face? Did you see? Wait.
No.
I-upload niyo daw.
Sabi ni Na.
Na dati grade mo.
Hey.
What? No, Krista, you're dreaming. You're asleep.
Kurutin mo. Are you dreaming?
Are you okay?
Hindi pala siya niya na
Wala, surprise, hindi siya niyan.
Wait, sino nag-guard ng bahay?
Yung bayang inalala.
Sino nga?
Si Ate May.
Diyan sila
Ito yun ah.
You happy? Yan?
Preparation. Ay, gamit.
Ha? Ang gagawin ko? Welcome home.
Ano bit mo natin?
Wala. Ganyan lang. Bibilhan mo siya.
Tip lang ni tatay.
Now what?
Kurutin mo nga, Michael. Nag-dream yan.
Tatapos na.